Okay, here we are back for our last pack of Superlative. Been some pretty awesome stuff so far. Oh, 1918, 1919, and 1920. So, let's keep the mojo flowing. Okay, card number 1. It's a game used jersey gold out of 9, numbered 1 of 9. Or that's probably 1 of 9 like they always do, but Team Solani. An autographed gold, 9 of 10, Miko Cuevo. My second one of these, numbered 5 of 40, Zach Boychuk.
Nice filler.
Numbered 1 of 9, Marty Turco patch. Angie Kopitar, autographed emblem, numbered 1 of 1. Famous Fabrics, Conn Smythe Trophy, Mario Lemieux, numbered 1 of 9. And Quad Patch, numbered 1 of 9, Joe Sakic, Patrick Waugh, and Patrick Waugh. So, not too bad. It ended on a good note. Thanks for watching my videos again. Check out my eBay. Most of these cards will probably be there. Thanks for watching.